What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel where I teach you guys how to play guitar as easy as possible. And for today's lesson I'll be teaching you how to play ALife with You by Adeaze. This song was requested by, once again, Mona Teo, so shout out to you, bro. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'll teach you guys, I'll go through the rundown as always. In the last chord. So for this song, you don't need a capo. So the first chord, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 5th fret, you're going to do a bar chord like that. So your index finger right here, and then you're going to put your ring finger on this string right here, your middle finger, and then your pinky down here. If you can see, pinky on the 5th string. So like I said before on my previous videos, so I'm using these 3 fingers plus my thumb, this being the bass line, and I'm going to jab that pinky in there. So second chord, you're going to go move down, same index finger blocking this fret right here at the 4th fret. So you're going to put your middle finger here and your ring finger on this string right here. So if you can see that, so then you're going to slide down to the 2nd fret, which is this one, keeping those same chords. So right there, so I'm going to hit the same string, so bass line, that, and then the next chord is going to be this one here. So it's the bass line, and you're going to put your middle finger here and then your index finger on this string right here. Bass line, hitting this string, that string, and also the 5th string. So and then the next chord is going to be this one here. So middle finger here, index finger here, and then your ring finger on this one here. So it's kind of like an A chord. So this is an A chord. But for this chord, it's slightly different. So and you just repeat that. This is the intro part I'm teaching you. So you do it again. So you go. The second time around, it's a bit different. So instead of going like this, the way I've taught you so far, so the second part is going to be like this. Instead of putting this finger here, you're actually going to move this one here, move that finger, and you're going to replace it with the pinky right here. And then you're going to hit the same strings, and that's the intro. So for the verse part, it's going to be the same chord. So on the 2nd fret, right here, you're going to block. You're going to use a bar chord again. So it's the same chord. So just use your index finger and then your ring finger on this string right here, and then your your middle finger here and your ring finger on the string right here. So the same chord once again. Finger here, finger here. And this part. I'm going to go back to the beginning, the intro part I told you. So what you're going to do is when you go to that part, says yes, you're going to go back to that chord again. So the 4th fret right here, using the same finger structure. So finger here, ring finger on that string. So that chord is going to be this bar chord here, and now I'm just using my ring finger to block this string right here, even though you're not using this. But if you want to strum it, it's the correct chord. So the strings that I'm plucking are these ones. So that's true. Then same fret, same bar chord, but your pinky is on this string now, and your ring finger is on this string. So that's true. Only to you. So you're gonna go. You're gonna travel your finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the 7th fret. That's true. Only to you. So I'm sliding my finger. I'm only using my index finger to block that fret. So only to you be faithful. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2nd string, 3rd, 4th, and 5th string. So and then back to the beginning, or the chorus. Same chord again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any other requests, please let me know in the comment section below. But for now, stay safe, God bless, take care, and we'll see you guys in the next one.